Hello guys, magandang hapon, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon bababa tayo kasi nandun na si Darren Espanto. Sana guys mabutan natin siya. Tara, let's go. Andawin na kami guys sa baba. Kasama ko si Leia. Kami sa baba. Sana mabutan namin si Darren. Yan, daming tao. So guys, dito na si Darren. Dito sa may Alvardan Exchange. Yan, lalabas na ito ngayon.
Hina. At ito na, mga kabayan. The moment you all been waiting for is finally here. Ang mga kanina pa naghihintay. Ready na ba kayo? Ang tanong ko, ready na ba kayo? Kaya ready na. Ito na ang world-class performer, ang powerhouse vocalist, and Asia's pop heartthrob. Palapakan natin, let's give a warm welcome to Darren Espanto!
Hello po sa inyo lahat! And of course, thank you so much to Alvardan Exchange for having me here today. And sa inyo lahat, thank you so much to everyone who's here. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumili na ng tickets for Dubai Barrio Fiesta happening tomorrow. And to everyone who joined our contest here at Alvardan Exchange, thank you so much.
Yes, alam mo ba, Darren, ang ilang pa sa kanila nag-absent sa kanilang trabaho dahil gusto nila makita, meron ka pang banner dyan.
Wow.
Yes, and we know that Dubai, lahat ng mga iyong fans dito sa UAE, they keep on asking for you to come in.
Ang puso ko, naimbitahan ko natin to perform here at feels great. Seeing all of our kapamilyas, all our kababayans here in Dubai, still giving that same energy, the same love. And Filipinos all over the world are always very warm and welcoming their fellow kapamilyas. So ayun po, I always enjoy performing here in Dubai.
At saka talagang ito, I'm sure that excited ka rin aside from our mga kababayan dito. Dahil this is going to be your first time to perform sa Barrio Fiesta.
Yes.
Dubai, tama ba yan? Oo. So kamusta naman ang preparations and ano ba ang expected ng ating mga kapamilya?
Yes! Eh nga po, first time po kasama sa Dubai Barrio Fiesta. Wow! Parang...
ayun pati dun sa dulo.
Bukas po, may ticket na po dapat kayo. Siyempre, hindi naman performances namin yung napagabahan ninyo. Naming food, naming day tomorrow. And ayun, naghahanda na po kami. May rehearsals po ulit kami mamaya. And again, if you guys didn't know, I'm also going to be joined by Ate Morrison Amon, si JM and si Fiam ng PBB, and so many more other people. So, ayan, mag-enjoy po tayo bukas.
And we really appreciate it. Kasi guys, ang hectic ng schedule ni Darren, sabi nga niya ano pa siya re-rehearsal. Pero dumaan siya dito para din makita lang kayo at gusto siya sa kanyang mga fans. At kanina pang umaga para maghintay sa'yo. Baka pwede naman makahingi kahit patikim lang.
Yes!
Netong tayo isa. Ano? Patikim ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba magpasabot si Darren?
Ayan po, para marinig kayo yung full song, bumili lang po kayo ng tickets para bukas.
Ayan, tama. Oo.
Kasi sample lang to.
Oo. Correct.
Ayun, sabayin niyo po ako. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Sabaw po! And I was dying inside to hey, I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself
Darren sa pagtalita, pero napakaganda.
Pwede po bang maka-groovy kayong lahat ng language?
Of course! Ayan.
Video na lang tayo.
Okay.
Alright. On the count of 3, sumigaw po tayo mga kababayan. Alright. 1, 2, 3. What's up?
Yes!
Hey!
Ayan! Guys, there you have it. Let's give it up one more time for the total performer in Asia's Pop Heartthrob, Mr. Darren Espanto. Palakpakan natin si Darren.
And of course, sa mga TLC subscribers dyan, please keep on watching It's Showtime Mondays to Saturdays and as of every Sunday naman. Maraming salamat and again bukas po, Dubai Barrio Fiesta at the Zaville Park.
Yes,
Yeah,
Gate
Zaville
5.
Park, Gate 5.
Oo. Ayan, magkita-kita tayo. Again, palakpakan natin. Darren Espanto, Darren. Lahat yan pupunta para makita kung mag-perform at ilang pang mga kapamilya, stars natin sa Barrio Fiesta 2025 tomorrow yan.
Yeah.
Okay. Kita